that, G.
I'm turning up this time and I'm going non-stop. Hit that nigga with a 1-2 and make him flop. Let a nigga try me, then I'm knocking off his top. Never tripping bout a brown, I'm fucking all the thoughts. I'm fucking all these thoughts, little nigga getting paper. I jumped out the porch with my boat shoes laced up. And I can't do favors. Had to run it up and them hard times made us. Hard times made us. Had to get the paper. Never folded on my day ones like betrayers. If it ain't the paper, I'll see it later. Chains out, watch out, let me see it take. I was open for a shot, so I had to take it. I was told by a lot of niggas I won't make it. Extraordinary? Hell nah, I ain't basic. I'ma run it up till my whole team make it. I'm turning up this time and I'm going non-stop. Hit that nigga with a 1-2 and make him flop. Let a nigga try me, then I'm knocking off his top. Never tripping bout a brown, I'm fucking all the thoughts. Small body, big car, we getting all this paper. I'm grinding out cause no meals coming later. I'm doing me, give a fuck about a hater. I met your bitch and she think I'm a saver. I'm counting these rats and I know that they watching. Bro, keep the strap, I pull up and he hopping. I see it, I want it, you know that I'm copping. I was be on snake shit, they know that I'm popping. Taking off, go coast to coast, aiming for that Lambo. No break, go show to show, y'all niggas just think slow. I'm thinking peso, ran up that queso. Shit get me phased though, bet y'all gon' let it go. I'm turning up this time and I'm going non-stop. Hit that nigga with a 1-2 and make him flop. Let a nigga try me, then I'm knocking off his top. Never tripping, brother, I'm fucking all the thoughts. Yeah, nigga, long live Dave. Yeah.